Teslas come with many hidden features, and unfortunately, they don't cover most of them whenever you take delivery of your Tesla. So in today's video, I'm going to highlight some of those hidden features. Even if you have been a Tesla owner for a while now, I'm pretty sure there may be something on this list that you don't know, and I'm starting right now. So the first thing that I want to share with you is how to delete your sensory and also your dash cam footage. When I first took delivery of my Tesla, I went through video by video deleting it, and that was a lot of time wasted. However, there is a way that you can delete all of the footage that you need to. So the first thing you want to do is go over to the menu with the car, go down to safety. You're going to go about halfway down, and right here it says delete dash cam clips. And also this is your sensory clips as well. And you're just going to click on delete. Now all of the footage on your car that was saved on the flash drive is now deleted. In order to power down the Tesla, you will have to get out of the car. However, there is a way that you can power down the car if you're still inside of the car, and this is exactly how you would take care of that. Again, we're going to go to the car menu. You're going to go down to safety, and now this time you're going to stroll all the way to the bottom here, and there's a button here that says power off. You click that. You're going to make sure that you know that you're powering off the car, and you're just going to hit power off. And now the car powered down. And excuse the screen, I'm going to have to clean the screen as well. And with your trunk, one thing that you can do, especially when you're in your garage, is that you can set the limit of how high your trunk can go. And you simply do it by pressing the button right here. And just say if we want to lower it, I'm going to have it to stop there every single time. So I'm going to take the button again, hold it for about 3 seconds until you hear the ding. Now, whenever I close it, it's going to stop there every single time. Watch this. And now that's where we had it last time. So you never have to worry about being in like a garage that it will hit the door and mess up your Tesla trunk. And this is a cool feature that you can set your Tesla to be a widget. I'm holding down my phone, and in the search widgets, I'm going to type Tesla, and from here, I'm going to stroll. You can go from that one, or you can go over to this one, and it will add it on your home screen. However, right now, it's saying no options are available because I'm on airplane mode. But once coming off of airplane mode, you see my car up there, and now I can control my car right from the home screen. A feature on Tesla that my daughters absolutely love would be Rainbow Road. And if you're not familiar with Rainbow Road, it literally just turns the road into a rainbow on your display inside of your Tesla whenever you're on autopilot. Originally, you would have to take the gear shift, push it down 4 times. It would play a Saturday Night Live skip of the cowbell, and then it would turn your road into the rainbow. Now you can use Rainbow Road without the Saturday Night Live skit anytime that autopilot is engaged. So you're going to open up your toy box. So I'm just going to pull up toy box here. We're going to stroll all the way over to where it says Rainbow Road. Click on there. And there's a toggle switch right here that says always rainbows. So I'm just going to go on and click on always rainbows. And now anytime that I put the car into autopilot, it's going to automatically go to the Rainbow Road, as you can see here on your screen. Pretty cool. And if you're driving an autopilot and you want to keep it engaged, sometimes it's kind of nerve-wracking whenever you turn the wheel to keep from swerving. However, when the notification pops up like it is right now, the only thing you have to do is push one of the stroll wheels or just move it, and it will knock it right back into autopilot being engaged. And as well, in order to disengage autopilot versus hitting the brake, you can push up your gear shift 1 time and it is now disengaged. Now you can push the sun visor out. However, you can see that I still have some space here. And what if the sun was shining in? Now, I just found this out not too long ago. I would pretty much move my face closer to the steering wheel to get behind this thing. But did you know the only thing that you do is slide it out? And now it's going all the way to the pillar here. Now, a Tesla is almost just like a big computer on wheels. Every once in a while, with your computer, you will need to do a soft reboot just to restart it in order to refresh the system. And Tesla, there's no exception. It doesn't happen often, like I said. However, every once in a while, you may need to reboot your car. And sometimes that's just to make sure that it's connecting to your Wi Fi, or the screen may be a little glitchy from time to time. So on your car, you're just going to press down both of your stroll wheels on the steering wheel at the same time, about for 3 to 5 seconds. So let's see. So I'm holding it in, and let's see what's going to happen. And as you can see, the screen went black. And give it about 30 to 40 seconds in order for the screen to come back on with the Tesla logo. And I'm just going to wait until the logo comes back up. Oh, well, it's already back up. So as you can see here, it was actually less than the 45 seconds. And the car is rebooting the system. It's just like restarting the computer on your PC, and after that, everything will be just like it was at the beginning. So you don't have to reconfigure anything. And you can also do this whenever you're driving as well. And it will not stop the motor. It won't interfere with your travel or anything else. And as you can see here, everything came back up as it was when I first initiated the soft reboot. Now, at delivery, they will ask you to go on and set up your home address and also your work address. However, they don't tell you the only thing you really have to do in order to get home is just swipe on the navigate bar. Whenever I went in for delivery, they just said push the voice control and said take me home. Sometimes you just don't want to always just have to talk. You can just swipe to the right or just swipe down in order to get home. And if you're at home, if you want to get to work, it's the same way. Do you know that you can actually save favorites on your car on the map? You no longer have to go in and continuously put in the address, but you can hold down a location on your map and it will save it as a favorite. So in order to save a location on your favorites by the map, you can just click on where you want to save, click on the star, and from there you can enter in what exactly you want to call it. So if you want to say grandma's house, house of worship, Jesse's or Lizzie's school, whatever you put there, that's what the car will recognize. You can toggle between the battery percentage and how many miles you have left on the battery. So the only thing that you have to do is click on the number here. So right here you can see I'm at 69%. However, some people get confused because if you click the battery, it's going to pull up your charging menu. So the only thing that you have to do is click on the number. So if you're out on a trip, you saw that you were at 69%. But how many miles is the car estimating that I have range left? You just do that in 206 miles. However, if you're on the mileage, you just click on the miles and it will tell you the percentage. So your car actually has a lot of quick controls that's located in the app. You have the four that's at the very top, and some people think that's all, but you can actually click and hold on either one of those four that you see at the very top. And I'm going to replace, just say, the horn with a fart sound. And now, so all I'm doing is grabbing the fart, I'm pulling it up to the horn, and now it will replace. And there are so many different quick controls that you can replace. And in the video here on your screen, I go through all of the features and tell you exactly what each one of them do, feature by feature. So click on the video here on your screen, and I will see you in that video.